We are going to go over this Bidet toilet seat. Yeah, there you go. That's the box. We are about to unbox it now. I will go over all of the specs and all of the good stuff when we're done, but for the most part, if you want to sprinkle after you tinkle for the ladies out there, then this will be the perfect product for you. For the men, I don't know what you do. So if you want to clean yourself, you can do that too. All right, they gave you a water line, and make sure you have gaskets in your water line. So gaskets will be the black part right there. They gave us batteries and a wall mount to mount the remote. There you go. T connector and a whole bunch of stuff that we will definitely need the instructions for. So there you go. Nice fancy remote. Let's see if their instructions are good to read. Ooh. Okay, it comes as a pamphlet. Oh, this is nice. All right. Now, where do I start? All right, you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove my toilet seat, and then we will go ahead and put this thing on. So I know people probably out there new, and they probably never removed a toilet seat a day in their life. So I'm going to show y'all how to remove the toilet seat, and we're going to go through the whole installation process. Let's get into it. All right, you guys. So to start off, to remove your toilet seat, there are... where is it? Okay, so you have a nut right there, little wing nut, plastic wing nut right there, and then on this side you have another plastic wing nut. This is how you remove toilet seats. Okay, so you want to do the main rule of all mechanics. You want to go lefty loosey. All right, I know y'all can't see on this side, but I'm going left. All right, lefty loosey, and sometimes you may need to lift the clip up. So there's a clip right here, and then you can hold that with a screwdriver. But what I'm doing right now is just twisting off the wing nut, okay? And I can hold the top, but I'm showing y'all how to do it. All right, so that's how you do it right there. Trash can hit me right in the face. All right, so lefty loosey. All right, you guys, so I went through 30 minutes of struggling with these instructions, you guys. So it says place the mounting bracket on the toilet, and the mounting bracket is not a separate thing. It's actually already attached onto the toilet seat. So it took forever to figure out how to take this off. All right, there's no video for this, just to let you know. So you landed on the right video for this. Okay, so there's a button right here, a push down button. You push this down, and there you go. It don't tell you to do this in the instructions. So again, and that's how it locks in. So if you ever need to take this seat off, this is how you take it off and on. All right, but now we need this off because we need to put it on the toilet. Now we're back on track. Sorry, you guys, I had to pause. I couldn't even find a video on that. Slide into this direction. So this has to be the front side. Okay, now this is how you mount it on. So we're just going to set it there. Oh yeah, make sure you clean your toilet before you do all of this. All right, so we set it there. All right, that's what it said to do first, you guys. So I just use water on this. I'm pretty sure if you use like, Vaseline or something, it'll slide in easier. Y'all know all about that, right? All right, so we will go ahead and put water on it. So we just put water on this one. And again, you can squeeze the ball to fit it in. Wow. Don't know how we're going to get those back out, but yeah, it's in there. It's going to go in like this. And this is your adjustable bracket, okay? This is how you make your adjustments for your seat if it's too far back, forward. All right. As y'all know on my channel, I usually use the drill gun, but I'm not going to use the drill gun. On this, we're just going to hand tighten it because we don't want to break nothing. So get yourself a Phillips screwdriver. If you have one of those little mini electric ones, then I think you'll be fine. I don't think it'll be a big deal. All right, I'm just going to snug it. I'm not going to fully tighten it yet. Let me see. Can I make my adjustment? Okay, let me snug it a little bit more. So you can adjust it. You can, still hold your fingers on the bracket, and then you can adjust it like that. If you want it further back, if you want your seat further to the front, then you'll adjust it like this, and then your seat will be further up. So we'll make our adjustments the proper way so our seat will match this seat, and then we will take off. We'll take it back off since it's easy take off, easy put on. Then we can make our adjustments properly. So let me go ahead and put the seat on. But so what you want to do is line it up, line up your seat, and slide to test if the water is off. You look in your toilet and flush. And I don't hear no water coming into the tank. So that's it. No water's coming into the tank. Water is gone out of this. So now that is off, you will need a tool. We have an adjustable wrench right here. And what we're going to do is take this line off, and it turned. Oh yeah, when you do this, you may want to put a bucket down. So I'll do that. Put it like a little bucket or something down because water is going to drip. This is how they change your toilet, you guys. Nice and easy. I changed toilets on this channel plenty of times. All right, so there you go. I had to order this from Amazon. This is a reducer, and pretty much you'll go from a 3/8 to a quarter. All right, now I took that off. Now I have room. So now, again, this is our 3/8 right there. Putting the tape on best as I can. I'm in an angle right now. But I think everything should be fine. I'm just doing this for extra precaution. Okay. All right. I'm going to leave it like that. All right. All right, I could cut it off. Not worried about that. All right, you guys. Got my adapter. Put the adapter on. Come on. Oh, don't tell me the threading on here is terrible. Oh, wrong way. I'm going the wrong way, you guys. That was first mistake. There we go. Nice. Why y'all didn't say nothing? All right. So now we have our 3/8, half an inch. Again, I bought this from Amazon because unfortunately Lowe's didn't have this reducer. And I'm screwing all the way, you guys, all the way. Nice. Screwed in pretty deep. All right, you guys, I got the adapter here and I put some tape on it already. That way I'm not in the corner killing myself. All right, now we're going to put the female onto the male, which we needed. It's going on there. Very nice. Make sure the gasket is on. All right, the gasket that we kind of went over this already. But now I'm going to have this part aiming out because it need to go to the water line up here. So this is where the water line goes. So I'm going to have it facing outwards. And I'm going to tighten this stuff up. Put my wrench last. Well, it don't matter. I got long enough wire. All right, I'm going to leave it alone. Okay, now I can start hooking up my stuff that I need. I have my toilet line here. And don't forget to give your stuff a good tightening when you're done. All right. All right, you guys. Now I just need to hook up my water line that they supply. And make sure your gaskets are in so we have no leaks. All right. Inspect your gaskets. Okay, that's tight. Remember, you're upside down, so lefty is kind of like tightening it. All right. All right, so let me give it a good little quick tighten with the wrench, and then we will go ahead and check out the water flow. The power supply is not long enough to reach to my my outlet, so I will have to get an extension cord for this. So all right, you guys, so we are finished installing the bidet toilet. Okay, and I have to say that this is the coolest thing that I own in this house. So nothing is cooler than this toilet right here. Nothing, absolutely nothing. All right, I tightened up everything. I have to go back and double check, make sure nothing is loose. But right now, I'm just going to go do a little quick overview. So this is the toilet seat right here. And both are slow close. All right. Both slow close like that. And then another slow close. Very slow. Very slow. All right. But y'all want to know the operation. So we are going to go over the operation right now. And I will do more videos on this because I think that this will be a great present for your wife or whoever, you know, is you know, the toilet person in the house. Whoever's the toilet person, you guys, you know, who wants to wipe and clean themselves and all of that good stuff. So give me 1 second. All right, you guys. So we are here with the bidet toilet. There's many different pronunciations for it. I'm just going to call it the bidet toilet. All right. So we are here. So cool. It's so much to this. You open up your toilet, and then one thing I have to say is that it feels awkward sitting on it. I'm not going to lie. It feels like you're more forward because it's high in the back. You have night light. So we're going to click the night light, and well, you can't see it. Let me turn this light off real quick. Let me turn this. Let's see. All right, so you see the night light coming, and we're daylight right now, you guys, so there's nothing I can do. The sun is coming in the bathroom, so yeah, so there's nothing I can do. But the light is good during the night, so if you leave your toilet seat up like this during the night, you can have your own little night light. That is awesome, all right? Now you have a stop mode right here. You want to stop. Now you have rear end. You have front. So this have 2 different holes on it for your booty and your coochie, okay? So right there, we are going to show y'all. All right, so this is how it works. You see right here, it says occupied sensor. The only way this thing works is if you're sitting on it. So I don't have nothing heavy right now. So right now I'm gonna use a cup, all right? I'm gonna use my cup. I'll put my thumb on there. I'm gonna hit rear. Coming out, and the rear is the second. It's 2 holes on here, all right? Let me hit rear again. When you hit rear again, it stops. It stays in one place. You hit rear again, it goes up and down. Clean that rear end. You can hit stop. You hit stop, and then that's it. Now, again, there's 2 holes on this thing. I'm gonna hit front. And remember, you gotta be sitting down. So front. Now, front is doing the front nozzle. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'll try to get closer next time. But front is doing the front nozzle. I'm gonna hit front again, and you can keep it in a standstill mode. I'm gonna hit stop. All right. So we have pulsating. I'm gonna click that just to see if I feel anything. All right, I think I might have to be sitting down for that one, but we are going to go with dryer. All right, so I have one side that came up and I feel air. I'm gonna hit dryer again. Ooh, it's warm too, you guys. Oh, so let me put my finger here. So if you hit dryer, oh, all right, so I'm gonna hit dryer. First dot came on, I'm gonna hit dryer again. 3 dots came on, but it feels warmer. The temperature goes up on your drying. Okay, so you got 1, 2, 3. All right, and you hit stop. So basically, while you sitting down, you can. It's like a spa, you guys. It's like a spa. I said spa. Spa. All right, so you have water temperature right here. You can set your water temperature. Make sure that don't come out. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 0, and then it goes backwards. All right, we'll go over that again once I find the instructions. And then you got the heat on the seat. You guys, this right here is my favorite feature. Is the heat on the seat. The heat on the seat is the best thing, you guys, all right? I love it. My bathroom gets cold and the toilet seat gets cold, you guys, all right? I keep my heat on 70, all right? It's still cold, but we have BG&E deals that's like $800. All right, so anyways, well, we have nozzle position. Now, I haven't messed with this yet, so let me see if this does anything. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to give me a second now. I'm gonna hold that. I'm gonna put rear. Let me make sure. Okay, there we go. So it's spraying out. Let me see if I can play with nozzle position. All right, so let me hit rear again. So it's staying still. Let me go to nozzle position. So when you keep it still, it changed the nozzle position and it's about to hit me in the face. So I'm going down right now. And that's as far as it goes down. And then it stopped. I think because my finger got off of it. And yeah, and then you have water pressure. So you can actually change the pressure of the water. So I'm gonna do that real quick just to see if there is a difference as far as water pressure. So you have rear, then you got front. Going to the front right now, and we're going to see if there's a difference in water pressure. I'm gonna hit front again so it can stay still. Water pressure. Yup. There's definitely a difference. Yup, less pressure. And it's cool that it makes sound too. All right, I'm gonna hit stop. And that's it, you guys. We went over all of the button configurations on here. Again, when you get on this seat, the heat comes immediately. The heat comes immediately. I think the seat is already still on because the seat is heated. So I think as long as it stays on, that the heat will stay on the seat. But right now the seat is heated, and I'm running on my extension cord right here. So you see if the green light is on, that means that the machine is on. But I'm going to use my my black extension that I reviewed where you can have an on and off switch just in case we want to turn this off and leave it off. Because I think once you hit stop, it just stops whatever motion that you're doing. It's not actually turning off the seat. So with this, I think the seat stays on. All right. So it's already warm. The seat is warm. And I ain't gonna lie, it feels so good. All right. But that's it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, I will review this again. I'll start promoting this. And ladies, tell your husband you want this. You could clean yourself very nice and easy now. Well, you probably could have done it long ago, but you know, I never really paid attention to this stuff, you guys. You know, my wife always wanted something like this. We just never got a chance to get one, but now we have one, and I have to say that this is awesome. This is cool. Now, you don't have to get one in every single room, you guys. This is our master bathroom. So this is the bathroom that she mainly uses. So this is her comfort zone, right? And again, ladies, if you, I know ladies use wipes. Okay, that's the thing. All right, ladies use wipes. So when you clean yourself with wipes, don't flush your wipes down the toilet. I'm just giving you some tips when you're using wipes and stuff, and you cleaning yourself. Throw your wipes in the trash can. Throw your wipes in the trash can. Throw your wipes in the trash can. If you throw your wipes down here, be prepared for a couple of $1,000s of savings to leave your bank account. Trust me, okay? Trust me. Unless you know how to use a drain snake and snake out all of those wipes that don't flush in your sewer drain properly. And that will be it, you guys. Just giving y'all that little tip. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.